Well, the kitchen project is coming to an end, and it actually looks a lot like the rendering we did in the beginning on the computer, which is why I really like that program. You can really see it before you build it. We're very happy with how it's turned out. One of the big stars of the show is this pull-out pantry. If you're doing a kitchen remodel, I would highly suggest trying it out. They look clean when they're closed, and they hold a lot of storage. The undermount hinges I used on the bottom are for 150 pounds. So it can hold a lot of stuff. Backsplash came out really nice. My wife is still saying she might have preferred subway tile. Let me know what y'all think, if y'all like this or you think subway tile would have been better. One thing we probably wouldn't do in the future is open shelving. This is the first time we've tried it, but we like storage. And open shelving is really aesthetics. Like whatever you put on there is going to be shown the whole time, so you really can't use it for storage. So I think next time it's just going to be cabinets. We really like farmhouse sinks. We like how they hold up. And all our drawers are full extension. And we tried to pretty much do drawers everywhere on our lowers that we could. One thing I don't really like is in here, and y'all saw the video, I kind of messed this up where it won't do a full extension. It stops because of the stove. So, I mean, I would probably do this again. I would just do it right next time. Because that saves you from having to reach all the way in the back. One thing I didn't show was when I built this drawer. So you can see it. It's actually 3 drawers. I have magnets here and here. They go there. So once they're stuck there, you can open all 3 at a time. So I thought I'd try it. I'm still on the fence about it. I just wanted to try a different design. So for costs, I've been running the numbers. I didn't keep very good books on this. So I'm guesstimating the cost, including appliances, was between $10,000 to $15,000. I did build the kitchen when wood prices were at their peaks. So if you did a remodel now, it would probably be cheaper. My plywood I bought was around $70, $80 a sheet. And now they're around $50 a sheet. And that's 1/2 inch and some 3/4. But everything in here, I DIY'd it. So I didn't hire anything off, no contractors. I did everything myself. And that definitely saved me a lot of money. I have a couple more builds coming up, so more content. So if you wouldn't mind, subscribe, drop me a question in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next one.